Hello.
Hello. I'm a couple minutes late. I apologize.
I mean, it's okay. Yesterday, maybe you had too much fun doing nothing because it was a day off.
Oh man,
So, you
it
have like
wasn't
a
just
fun.
that.
I think I'm gonna call it fun hangover. When you had so much fun that now you cannot do anything, just think about how fun it was yesterday.
It was fun. We did
Okay.
rollerblading was done. We're still learning how to rollerblade, but it was
Okay.
a lot of fun, a lot of smiles. It
Did
was a good
you
day.
roll? Did you also? No.
I was the steady hand that held my daughter. Made sure. Well, she did fall. I let her fall a couple times. That's part of it, right? You got to learn how to balance yourself. But I was also there to help when she asked for help. But also, I said no a couple times because you got to learn how to balance.
Yeah. And you gotta learn. You gotta learn how to properly fall.
That too. Yeah,
I mean,
we had some knee
like
pads.
you
Yeah, we
can't
had knee
just like
pads.
smack. Like you need to learn how to properly fall. That's also, oh, look at us going. We can even take it further and start talking about failings in, beyond the rollerblading.
That's
But
true.
failing is great. I love failing.
If you learn from it, right? If you fail and you don't learn from it, is it great? It's not.
No, because you're gonna dislocate your shoulder by failing constantly and not learning how to fall. So every single fail should be a little lesson and be like, oh, okay, so next time I should not be doing this, otherwise it's gonna feel like this.
Yeah,
Or learn how to fail properly. Is
there
there
you
like
go.
fail? Is there a way to
Yeah,
fail
there is.
properly?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Man, did I ever tell you back at Daxco we had a fail wall?
No.
So I think it was Will Sansbury. He was a leader, a product leader in the org, and one day we were talking about failure, and I think it was his idea. It could have been someone else's. I don't know. But we created a place where we put stickies on any failures we had. We would just post them on the wall. So it was like, I ran this query and brought down production, put it on the wall. And the idea was, as you walk by, because it was very visible, you walk by and you see this thing and you're reminded, like, oh, probably shouldn't do that in the future, right? And each of those had some kind of learning, but it was just a nice symbol and picture of continuous improvement, right? We had failure.
Yeah.
We're not gonna wallow in it. We're gonna learn from it and figure out what's next.
Of course. And did you have to sign your name?
I put my name on there. Yeah.
Oh, you
Heck
were so
yeah.
proud of it.
I mean, it's a learning. It's like this learning was for me because of this thing, and a lot were tied to incidents. Not all were. So
Yeah, but I feel like you have to be very the environment has to be very supportive
we had a
because
good, safe culture. Yes.
yeah, here we go. Because like I'm thinking immediately that a lot of people I've met in my life, they would be terrified to put their name on
Sure.
simply because just what comes out of it, and it's going to be pointed out every time, and look, this is
Sure.
what Sergey did and this is what Butch did, and all of that stuff. But if you should be proud of your failures.
If you learn from them. If you didn't,
The
maybe not
asterisks.
so much, right? And I think there's a sense of, hey, I failed because I didn't even try, right? Or I did everything I thought I could do and I still failed. And that's really what all those failures were, right? No one was like trying to like be bad at things. There's just certain things we didn't know, certain things we didn't account for as we made decisions, as we delivered code, and yeah. My internet's bad right now, so I apologize.
I don't know if it's my internet connection or yours, but I'm
it's
like
mine.
missing so much right now.
It's my internet.
It's
I
yours?
apologize. Yes, it's mine.
Okay.
That's one of the reasons I was
Yeah.
late. I just.
But it happens.
But not an excuse. Not an excuse.
It is. It's a technical issue. Like it's something what probably you couldn't control. Unless you could, then I have questions.
That's right. I can't.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about yesterday and today, and we can shut this thing down.
Yeah. Well, yesterday I worked on the project and I made good progress. I love when it's hard at first, but then you create the you create a pattern and you create a path.
Yeah.
And then after that, like all the tests and everything is just like written so nicely, and you already know what to do. And even the autocomplete already like helps you way much than in the beginning.
Yeah.
Instead of like suggesting random things sometimes, like absolutely random. I'll be like, where did you get it from? That's definitely not what I have. But yeah, so yesterday was one of those days when you know the snowball is already so big that you just like have fun with this. You just control
It's
it a
good
little
feeling.
bit. Yeah, and today apparently it's gonna be the same day with automation, and I have a few meetings to go to, which I
Nice.
don't mind going.
Yeah.
How about you?
I love when you get a project in a good spot, and it is like a snowball, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once you've kind of like packed this thing in, you've got something really good, you've got these nice patterns, like especially with the AI tools, like it's really easy to say, go look at this. This is what I'm looking for, right? And
Yeah.
man, it's exciting. So for me, yesterday I did have a TO day. I took some time off, but also spent some time working on the workshop I'm giving tomorrow. So I kind of built out the slides and kind of finalized everything. So really excited about that. End-to-end AI assisted testing. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. So got that going. Today I've got some meetings as well. It's also a pretty busy day, just getting caught up, being off yesterday, and I will probably start some automation. Hopefully, building on to some good patterns that we've already got. We've got to add a couple more scenarios to one of our tools. I think you actually wrote the automation. I just get to go add on to it. Maybe pick it apart. Probably not too much to pick apart.
I don't think it was me.
It was you. Your name, you're in the commit history.
The git blame?
Yeah.
It helps sometimes, yeah.
It's fun.
Well, okay. I do have a huge PR for review because nobody reviewed anything last week, so...
I reviewed stuff last week.
Well, not on Saturday.
Fair. I did not on Saturday.
No. It's all
I
good.
don't
but...
consider that last week. That was last weekend.
No, yeah, it was last weekend, absolutely. But yeah, great. Well,
I'll
I'm
take
excited.
a look at that this afternoon.
Yeah, if you can, because I need the snowball to be merged so I can like run on top of the snowball,
Yeah.
Because right now I'm still pushing.
You don't want the snowball too big,
Yeah.
When it gets too big, it's like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah. But so I assume tomorrow we have a earlier stand-up because of your workshop?
We do, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to have a pre-workshop stand-up. It's going to be fun.
Okay, well, all right. It's going to be a pep talk.
Oh, pep talk. Bring it. I need the encouragement. It's going to be early. Hopefully I'll be on my second cup of coffee. We'll see. I'm going to wake up early. Get all the wiggles out.
Well, I'm excited. I'm excited for tomorrow, but also I'm excited for today because, you don't need to wait for tomorrow. Do everything today. Just do it. Hold on.
Oh, I'm going to rephrase that. You don't need to wait for tomorrow. Just fail today.
Perfect. Playwright reports are so beautiful to show you your failures if needed, so they're like this. They're beautiful. But I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.